In this video, I will show you how you can clear the cache and cookies on your iPad Air. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just scroll down and look for Safari. Now just tap on Safari, and over here, just scroll down and look for the option for Clear History and Website Data. Now just tap on this option. Now under Clear Time Frame, just select All History, and also enable Close All Tabs. Now after you select both of these options, then just tap on Clear History. Now after you've done that, from here just scroll down and tap on Advanced. At the top of the screen, just tap on Website Data. Now if you have any website data left, you can delete them from here. But since we have deleted all our website data, there is no data left to delete. But if you find any, you can delete them from here. And this is how you can clear the cache and the cookies on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.